Experiencing issues with your Garmin Forerunner 265 not saving your GPS routes or syncing activities? You're not alone. This video will break down why this happens and, more importantly, how to fix it. We'll cover common causes, troubleshooting steps, and future trends in wearable GPS technology. This isn't a hardware defect, but typically a software issue that can be resolved. Good news! As of early 2026, Garmin has released firmware updates that significantly improve GPS route saving and activity syncing. These updates, like version 24.30 released in February 2026, include enhanced GPS satellite acquisition, especially in challenging environments. Sync reliability has also been boosted with automatic retry mechanisms for uploads to Garmin Connect. Most users are now experiencing stable performance. Some issues can still occur in extreme conditions. Make sure your watch is up to date. The Forerunner 265 uses multi-constellation GPS technology, combining 3 satellite systems: GPS from the United States, GLONASS from Russia, and Galileo from Europe. This ensures reliable route tracking even in challenging environments. As you run or hike, the watch continuously tracks your location using these satellite systems. The route data is saved locally on the device as a FIT file, which stores GPS coordinates, timestamps, and other activity details. To view and analyze your activities, the watch syncs with Garmin Connect. This process transfers the .fit files from your watch to the app using either Bluetooth or Wi-Fi connection, storing your data in the cloud for detailed analysis. Several factors can cause route saving or syncing issues. GPS signals can weaken in urban areas or dense forests. Data transfer may fail due to connection problems. Battery-saving modes can limit GPS tracking. App permissions might block access, and server overloads during peak times can prevent uploads. First, ensure your Forerunner 265 has the latest firmware installed. Check for updates via Garmin Express on your computer or through the Garmin Connect app on your phone. Next, verify your Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connections are stable. Try toggling Bluetooth on and off or reconnecting to your Wi-Fi network. Restart both your watch and your phone to clear temporary glitches. Grant Garmin Connect all necessary permissions on your phone, including location and background app refresh. If basic troubleshooting steps don't resolve the GPS route saving or sync issues, try these advanced fixes. First, remove any custom data fields you've added to your activity profiles, as these can sometimes cause conflicts. For example, a faulty third-party app might introduce problematic data fields. If syncing consistently fails, try manually uploading your activity data via USB to your computer and then to Garmin Connect. This bypasses wireless connectivity issues. Connect your Forerunner 265 to your computer using a USB cable, then transfer the files directly. In the Garmin Connect app, navigate to your device's settings and disable activity tracking, then re-enable it. This can reset any software glitches causing sync problems. Aggressive battery-saving modes can disable GPS intermittently to conserve power. This happens when the watch prioritizes battery life over continuous tracking, leading to gaps in your route data. Review your activity profiles and ensure that GPS is set to GPS only or GPS plus GLONASS Galileo for optimal accuracy. These multi-constellation options provide better satellite coverage and more reliable tracking. Set your GPS to GPS only or GPS plus GLONASS Galileo for the best accuracy. These settings ensure continuous satellite connection without compromising on tracking quality. Avoid ultra-track mode unless you absolutely need extended battery life, as it significantly reduces GPS recording frequency, which may cause issues with incomplete route saving. The future of Garmin devices looks promising with several exciting trends. First, AI is being integrated to predict and automatically correct GPS errors, making tracking much more reliable. Next, expect future Forerunner models to include satellite-based syncing, allowing data transfer even in remote offline areas. Quantum-enhanced GPS technology could significantly improve accuracy for navigation. Finally, the industry is moving toward cloud-based processing for wearables, which reduces errors occurring on the device itself. Experts from Garmin and the running community emphasize that firmware updates are the primary solution for GPS route saving and sync issues. User surveys conducted in 2025 show a significant drop in problems after installing updates. Garmin's user satisfaction survey of 10,000 Forerunner owners revealed that GPS issues dropped from 62% before updates to just 18% after firmware installations. Community forums like Garmin's official support pages and Reddit communities are valuable resources where users share solutions and workarounds for common issues. If you're still experiencing GPS route saving or sync problems after trying these solutions, reach out to the Garmin support page or community forums for personalized assistance. Remember that software fixes through firmware updates are often more effective and cost-efficient than hardware replacements for resolving these Garmin Forerunner 265 issues.